Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you will be seeing me doing a decorate with me. I will be decorating my master bedroom and my guest bathroom for the fall season. My last video, if you have not checked it out yet, make sure you do. I decorated my living room and my kitchen for fall. So this video, I will be doing my bedroom and my guest bathroom. So now I'm going to start off by fixing my bed, and I had just recently washed my sheets a few days ago. So I'm just going to start off by fixing the bed, and then you're going to see me add some pillow covers and adding the pillows and the throw blanket. So as you guys can see, I have this burnt orange pillow that I'm adding to my bed, and I'm not really sure about this pillow. I like it, but I just don't really too much like the vibe that it goes with it. So you'll see later on in the video that I switched the pillow out for a different burnt orange pillow. And I got these pillows from Home Goods. So you guys let me know in the comments down below if you like this pillow better, or do you like the second pillow that I'm going to add towards a little bit later on in the video. And as you guys can see, I was trying to decide if I wanted my throw pillow to go sideways or across the bed. I was not sure. So you guys let me know in the comments down below which way did you guys like it. I also purchased this blanket from one of my good friends, and it's called Neek Knit. And I will leave her Facebook and Instagram page below if you guys are interested in ordering a blanket. And these blankets are handmade. So now that I'm done wiping down my dresser, I'm going to add a flower arrangement. I purchased this vase from the Goodwill, I think, or maybe the Salvation Army, I don't know, a thrift store. And I got these little mums from Walmart, and I will be adding these mums, but you will see a little bit later on that I changed that out. And I add something with a little bit more of an orange color to go with the flow of the room. And so I made this little flower arrangement myself. I was going to buy one from Marshall's, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it myself. I got a vase at home and it'll be cheaper. So make sure you guys, sometimes you can just go the cheaper way. You don't have to just buy everything from the store. You can make your own flower arrangements. It's not hard. It's very simple. You can get ideas from Pinterest, ideas from YouTube videos and stuff like that. So I decided to go the cheaper route, and I might have paid maybe $5 for this flower arrangement, because I already had, the glass from months ago, and then the flowers cost about $5. I didn't tell you guys early on that I added the rest of my fillings from my kitchen jar, and I added it in this jar in my room this arrangement that I'm making right now. I added the fillings inside of that jar. just like in every video I post, you guys, you will always see me light a candle. I love candles. Candles set the mood, it set the tone, and there's nothing like a clean home with a fresh candle burning. Moving on to the guest bathroom, I'm going to start off by wiping down the counters and the cabinets, and I'm going to make sure that it's clean and fresh. You will also see me use my Swiffer mop, and I will be decorating this bathroom. Very simple. I will be changing out the mats in the bathroom. I had some pink mats, so I will be adding some cream color mats, and then I'll be adding some flower arrangements. The flowers that I was going to use in my bedroom, the mums, I'm going to use them in this bathroom, and then you will see me add a little bless sign and just kind of like, you know, give a little bit of a fall vibe in the guest bathroom, but not too much. Okay guys, so just like in every video, I have to give y'all a scripture. Today's scripture comes from Romans 12:12. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, and faithful in prayer. And last but not least, I'm adding this bless sign. I had this sign last year. I purchased it from Walmart, and so I was like, oh, why not utilize it? And so I put it in the guest bathroom with a pumpkin, and you will see that I switched this pumpkin out for a different pumpkin, and I put the pumpkin that's in my hand right now in my bedroom. So that concludes today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, because that also helps me out to push this video out as well. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in for today's video, and this is the end. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of after shots, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and amazing day. Bye.